What if your Python scripts are executing automatically without you opening your laptop? Yes, today in this video I will show you how to run Python scripts automatically at your specified time without you running your Python script. Let's come to search bar and search for task scheduler. Click open. This task scheduler will run your Python script without you are running manually. Yes. Let's come to this script. This is sample script. I will make this script to run automatically using task scheduler. Okay. Make sure before scheduling in task scheduler, make sure your script is running successfully. Open terminal. The script is in documents folder. So change the directory to documents and run py schedule.py. Yes, there is no errors and it is executed. You can see script executed at the whatever current time is there, that will be printed. I'll close this txt file and come to task scheduler. Here we need to make some configurations. Click create basic task. Give name to that task. Example, I will give current date time display. Okay. Click next. When do you want this task to start? Daily. Click time. Currently it is 7:08 p.m. So to show live demo here, I will give 2 minutes. At 7:10 this script will run automatically. So click next. Click next. Here these 3 arguments are very important. Here you need to browse and select python.exe file path. So this is python.exe. Click and this is a add argument. Here you need to mention Python script. Since I have Python script in admin documents folder / schedule.py. So complete path we need to mention here. Start in should be without script name, we need to mention. Click next. Click finish. That's it. Come to task schedule library. Here we can see our scheduled current date time display. This current date time display task will trigger automatically at 7:10 p.m. and we can see the history. Yes, it is triggered and we can see the history here once the task is completed. Yes, task completed. We can see the success message here, task scheduler successfully finished. Let's come to documents folder and check the log.txt file, documents log.txt file. Open, you can see the latest generated line, script executed at today's date and 19:10 means 7 o'clock 10 minutes. It is generated. If you see this line in log.txt file, then your script is running automatically. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.